Hello, poor Max. Hello, poor Labrador Max. How are you, poor thing? Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
How can this little cat make fun of me, the big Labrador Max? I will take revenge on this little cat. What should I do?
Help me, help me.
I will save her.
Help me, help
Wait,
me, help me.
I will save you now.
Help me.
Yes, yes, yes. Mission accomplished. I will withdraw now. Bye-bye.
Oh, thank you, you brave hero, and I am very, very sorry. I love you very much because you saved me from death, you great, brave, heroic Labrador. At the end of the story, I would like to say to the viewers, if you want to see us again, Lulu and Max, subscribe.